Angela with Off-Leash Canine Training, Lehigh Valley and Scranton, and this handsome boy is 4-year-old White Shepherd Blizzard. He's here for our 10-day board and train program. Not an awful dog, really could use some confidence. He could use some work in the distraction department. He pulls on leash sometimes. He does have a prey drive. Sometimes he jumps on people, other times he doesn't. It just kind of depends on the mood he's in and that day and the person specifically. And then there is some reactivity passing dogs. He's not aggressive, he's never been aggressive, but he does get his hackles up, he does bark, and then he is a bit of a whiner, and that's just kind of his confidence. He needs to just gain some self-confidence there and build himself up. So let me show you where he's at drop-off, and we're gonna get to work. Blizzard, come. Come. Blizzard, come. Yes, good. Hi, buddy. Blizzard, come. Hey, sit. Oh, that's so good. Please. 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 You don't know that one? Okay. All right, Blizzard, try down. Sit. Down. Oh, that's a good boy. Dad did say he knows his basics. His stability's not really there, but he does know his basics. I don't think he knows place. I'm gonna show you what it's like walking him at drop off, and then we're gonna get to work.